CT scan tells the shocking story. An inch-long dental drill bit lodged deep in Tom Josie's lung.
How did this happen?
Well, I don't know. I was at the dentist getting a tooth filled, and the next thing I knew, I was told I swallowed this tool. So I didn't really even feel it going down. All I did was really felt a cough.
Doctors believe that inhaling just before he coughed sent the metal object deep into the 60-year-old maintenance worker's airways. So deep, says pulmonary expert Dr. Abdul Al-Rayes, that normal scopes couldn't reach it.
When I saw the CAT scan and where that object is sitting, it was really far down on the right lower lobe of the lung.
What happens if he can't get it out? And really, the answer was part of my lung was going to have to get removed.
That's when Dr. Al-Rayes and the Aurora KENOSHA team decided to try a newer device, one not designed for removing foreign objects.
Is more for early detection of cancer, especially lung cancer.
But you knew you could use it for this.
Exactly right. The reason is this. The size of this catheter.
As you can see from the video of the scan, the medical team was able to navigate the narrow airwaves and reach the drill piece and pull it out without any harm to the patient.
And I was never so happy in my life when I opened my eyes and I saw him with a smile under that mask shaking a little plastic container that had the tool in it.
A souvenir Josie says he now keeps on a shelf at home.